This year we have 1,000 students, 103 institutions, 150 faculty mentors, 75 live building projects. A new generation of young professionals who will transform the face of the building sector in India.
I'm Ayushi Bansal.
I am Tilak from Team Decagon.
I'm Shantani.
And I'm Anchal.
And I'm Hardeep.
We think what makes our project stand out is firstly its context, which is a very remote valley, and its harsh climatic conditions, and how our site is cut off from rest of the region due to heavy snowfall. Secondly, our vision to provide modern education facility to the people we are serving of this valley and teach people sustainability and eco-friendly practices while building. We aim to give back to the community through this in a context where there is hardly any public buildings and no comfortable winter spaces.
But the context we have, like Urgos, it's in that area, it is very difficult for students to go to schools only because of the heavy snowfall or because of the kind of path they have to go through. And because of that, many students drop out their schools after 10. So it's a very challenging situation. So we are considering all these points, and we are trying to make a facility so that they can use it, and there's no need for them to go to some other place like Kullu.
I think thermal comfortability was a very big challenge. We sort of wanted to take our difficulty level and challenge ourselves one notch up. So that was also one of the reasons why we chose this particular project.
So in terms of biodiversity, as we told, we are situated in a valley. So naturally, we were able to get a really good quality stone in that valley. So using these materials which are actively available over there. Also, as we are in a hilly region, so we are also trying to use the context itself to help us design.
Our style in this project, or in a way our creativity too, would be the way we are integrating the indigenous methods, techniques into our design and the construction.
We actually believe that traditional is sustainable. That is, I think, our style as well as architects, where we bring in sustainability by keeping in mind the traditional and the modern route.
What we have in turn created is different modules which we are bringing together then according to the site, where we are making our design work for the site specifically. So these modules which we have designed, we can use them in any similar context where there are harsh winters. So we can definitely scale it up.
Our design, despite being specific to the site, is also at the same time a design for the region.
When we started working now, as we have got an industry partner, so our industry partner is for the glass purpose. So just getting into the detail of each and every glass and everything, those are very new experiences for us.
Participating in Solar Decathlon India gave us a chance to be exposed to the market and actually work with market in real and people who are already in the field. And definitely we are taking back many learnings and all. When we actually practice professionally, it is going to help us in our real-time project as well.
Solar Decathlon India experience was awakening, and we plan to use this knowledge in practice, be conscious and sustainable in our approach, and be sensitive while working in our respective fields. And by learning how to design this net zero facility, we will be prepared for our future endeavors, as this close to real life project has really helped us develop ourselves professionally.
Well, I think for us, the most exciting thing is that this project is actually going to be built.
Solar Decathlon modules really helped us, and we are learning to work with more computer-based systems and different softwares. We would definitely like to put what we are learning into practicing and preaching.
One thing that really stood out to me since I started doing the self-learning module was for me to consume 1 unit of electricity here, 4 units of electricity needs to be produced. And that has actually stuck me, and since then I've been very conscious about my not only just energy use but anything that I use, energy, water and everything.